Welcome. In front of me is an OUKITEL OT11, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen like I just did, and then on the side where you have toggles, you should have the Do Not Disturb toggle on one of the pages. If you don't see it on the first one, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages. For me, that toggle is located on the second page, which you can see right over here. Now once you find yours, first time around I recommend holding it. This will then quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function when enabled. Now in here we have things like allowing what kind of people will be able to call you or message you, applications that can bypass this mode. Then below that we have Schedule, a pretty important application, just automates the entire Do Not Disturb mode for you. So you can select the days of the week, start and end time. Below that we have duration for quick settings. This is a great option for people that will be using this mode manually. I personally like to select it on a timer and make it something like 4 hours, as I find this to be plenty of time to cover whatever need I had for it, plus just a little bit of time extra in case I forget about it. So with that being enabled as it is right now, what will happen is when I toggle on my Do Not Disturb mode by tapping on it, it will run for exactly 4 hours, at which point it's going to automatically turn it off. So if I forget about it, the device will remember it for me. But if I did remember, I can also tap on it once more to disable it. So there we go. That's how you'd set up and enable and disable your Do Not Disturb mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.